In this video I'm going to show you if you can see who sent you a message on NGL app. Many of you are wondering if you can really see who sent you a message, so let me explain you how it works. First, there you can see a red button says who sent this. If you hit on that, it says that just Pro members can see exclusive hints on each message, and there are button to unlock them. There, gray color text says us how much it will cost per week, and if you unlock that and pay money, what information will you get? You will get, look at here, exclusive hints on each message. So what kind of information do you get? You will get information about what device used person that sends you a question, and information about where is this person from. It's about region and country, but you wouldn't get the exact information about what that person is, like that person's Instagram account or something like that. So now you know how it works, and if you pay money for that, you wouldn't get the exact 100% information about who sent you that anonymous question. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button if it was helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe.